Hey there, grill enthusiasts, and welcome back to Impossibly Kosher. My name is Ben, and I'm going to be showing you how to take your chicken grilling game to the next level. I'm going to be making mouth-watering grilled chicken on my Weber Kettle using incredible lump charcoal, some cherry wood chunks, and a few game-changing attachments. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is set up our grill. We start off by adding in our lump charcoal, making sure that it never goes above where the grate is going to be sitting. And because I'm going to be using some wood chunks today, always make sure to leave some space around. And like I mentioned, I'm not stopping at the lump charcoal. I'm going to be using some of Bear Mountain's cherry wood chunks. I'm going to be putting them on the coals. It's going to give it an incredible flavor. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you for adding in some wood chunks later. Usually I light my charcoal in a chimney. However, today I'm going to be playing with something new, something fun, something crazy. It's a Grill Blazer sous vide gun flamethrower. That's right, a flamethrower. It's a powerful tool, powered by propane, and it lights like a charm. Within no time, I have the charcoal lit up and ready to go. Just look at those coals come to life. Wow. And now, if you've seen my channel before, you'll see this video up here where I introduced my Venom attachment. However, today I added one more tool to the arsenal. Spider Grills came out with a battery pack for the Venom attachment that basically allows you to use it anywhere. Granted, you can't use the Wi-Fi anywhere, obviously. However, you can power it up and use it manually, which is exactly what I did. The battery pack is easy to use. On one side it has a magnet strip, which allows you to attach it right to the bottom of the Venom attachment. You plug it in, you press start, and voila, that simple. Now we need to have that fire starting to burn really hot. So we've cranked the Venom attachment to the maximum it can go. I think it was like 500 or 550. Played around a bit until we hit that number. And it's going to start blowing a ton of air into that chamber. And if you don't know this already, the more airflow you have around fire, the hotter it will become. And you want it piping hot because we're going to be cooking these chicken breasts hot and fast. And while the grates and the grill is heating up, let's go and prepare our chicken. So what did I do with the chicken breasts? I've halved them to make them thinner strips. That way they end up with a beautiful crisp outside and a beautiful sear, and on the inside, juicy and perfectly cooked. My marinade was really simple. In a bowl, I added in some olive oil, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and a little bit of cayenne pepper just for a kick. I mixed them well, poured them right on top of the chicken, and massaged it in. I like to leave it for at least an hour. That way the flavors can infuse nicely inside. Now the grates are hot. My grill is ready to go. We're going to be getting the chicken onto the cold side of the grates and then twisting the grates around so it's directly above the lit embers and above that wood chunk. This technique will allow for a better sear, not so much of the burning that most people are used to seeing. The flavor comes out way better though. We got our chicken on and look at that sizzle. Just look at it. I'm telling you, the aroma that's coming through the air is unreal. I can't wait until they're done. After just a couple of minutes, it's time to flip those babies. Flipping them often ensures that both sides get a beautiful color, again without burning. You don't want those burn marks. Get a nice caramelization and a beautiful flavor on the inside. A couple more minutes and our chicken breasts are done. The high heat and lit wood chunks smells incredible. I absolutely love infusing wood whenever I can. And now, for the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's take a look at the final result. Just beautiful. Just look at those perfectly grilled chicken breasts. Usually chicken breasts are dry, but these ones came out incredibly juicy. That's what I love about cooking things hot and fast. We'll carefully take each one off the grill and let them rest for just a couple of minutes. Letting your meat rest no matter what you're cooking allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, which gives a much better and more uniform flavor. So I know you want to bite into it, but give it 5 minutes and it changes the profile completely, for the better. All the chicken is cooked, it's time to close up that grill. You get the lid back on. As you can probably see, I have a few modifications. Take a look at this one. This is my favorite Weber Kettle mod. And when you close the grill, it starts the shutdown process. It starts to eat up that oxygen inside, which then cools down those coals and cuts the fire. And there you have it, folks. Grilling a perfect chicken breast on a Weber Kettle using lump charcoal, the Venom attachment, and Bear Mountain's cherry wood chunks. The combination of intense heat, smoky flavor, with that versatility of the Venom attachment really makes this unbelievably fun. Also, it really makes for a quick and delicious meal. Now, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections. And I've listed all the tools that I used in the description section. By the way, on grill blazers, sous vide gun, or other flamethrowers, as well as on Bear Mountain's websites, and whether it's pellets or wood chunks, you guys can get a 20% discount if you use our channel's code. It's Impossibly Kosher 20. Go ahead and check that out. Link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. It's summertime. We're going to be grilling quite a bit, so stay tuned. Another one coming soon. I'll see you in the next one.